Hi everyone, Kent here at Adventure Motorsports. Today I'm going to talk to you about what I pack with me when I go riding. I've got my main gear bag. I love this OGO gear bag. It's the roller bag. It makes it nice and easy to get your gear from the house to the trailer, and or if you're switching, hopping in and riding with a buddy, all your gear's in one location. It's easy to take with you. Avalanche safety. I wear this BCA bag to help keep myself safe in hopes that I can come back from the ride. Here is the Arctic Cat low profile attach bag, which attaches to the sled nice and easy, that we pointed out in the M8 Arctic Cat Catalyst video that we did earlier. Helps keep weight off of our back and just room for extra storage for gloves, first aid kits, things of that nature to take with us. As far as gear goes, I'll unpackage this so you guys can see what it is I wear when I go snowmobiling. In the OGO bag, I keep a towel that I can throw down on the trailer floor to help keep those socks dry. I wear the Liette knee brace pair to kind of help protect those knees, prevent any injuries. They're also good to help keep the knees safe when you're banging up against the snowmobile. I've got my helmet here. I personally like to use just the dirt off-road helmet with a pair of goggles that you'll see I tuck inside in hopes to not forget them when I go riding. I also wear the fly onesie. The Cobalt model is the one that I've selected. It's got suspenders in the inside to help hold it up. And then also got a built-in knee pad here to help protect you. That'll keep me dry throughout the day. For the most part, I just simply wear a base layer underneath that. I wear a climb boot that has a BOA system to help release. No shoelaces, have to worry about icing up. You can simply release that, get your foot in there, Velcro that back up, push in on the BOA system, and start ratcheting it tight. BOA system's the only way to go. I've fought with shoelaces over the years, and this just simplifies it all. The boot comes with a nice little loop as well. Inside the onesie, there's a strap you pull through that, clip back into place, and helps keep that pant leg down and secure so that you're not forcing snow up and into your socks. Also in the top of this bag, I keep my fly gloves, the Untitled glove, nice and light, helps keep you dry and hands warm. I like to run the head sock balaclava and then typically pull a neck liner on to help keep me warm, keep that cold air off of me. And then I'll throw in a set of mittens for those cold days or where you're riding road to get in and out of your favorite riding place. I take with me the BCA Float 22 AV bag to help us on those deep powdery days when the avalanche danger is high. Follow along here and I'll show you what we've got inside. In this pocket here, I like to carry the Garmin inReach, just in case I've got to communicate when cell phone signal is not available. I also like to pack a little fire starter kit with me for those heavy, wet, snowy days. They stock these here in parts if you guys need any of these to add to your kit. This pocket here is going to be our avalanche probe, shovel and handle, and then I also throw in some extra things to keep me dry and warm on those deep days or cold days up on the mountain. Some more balaclava options, head socks, all of that. And then down here in the bottom, I hope I never have to use, is a space blanket or survival bag. So if you want to see other brand variations and how these avalanche bags work, Tinley did a really good in-depth video of what we stock and carry here at Adventure Motorsports and how those avalanche bags work. If you don't have one, I'd highly advise you to watch that video, pick out your favorite choice, and come in and see us here at Adventure Motorsports and get yourself an Avy bag. In the main pouch here, I typically carry extra pair of goggles or two. I've got some freeze-dried foods just in case. And then my BCA radio attaches inside here. That'll help you communicate with your friends out on the mountain. Also, up here in this pouch, again, I've got extra gear to keep warm. I've got some lights, just in case you're out in the dark. And then a little pocket knife that that helps me tie stuff up, cut stuff with, whatever we need. It's good to have. Also, as a big part of the necessities that I pack with me is gonna be this Ortovox avalanche beacon. This here is the talk system. Nice and simple to turn on and activate. And in the chance that you have to put it to use, the neat thing with the direct voice is it'll give you voice commands when your stress level is high. It'll help calm you down and walk you through the scenario of trying to find someone who's buried. I also pack a second radio with me, and the reason I do that is just in case somebody's batteries are dead or you've got a new friend riding with you that doesn't have a radio set up. It's very crucial to be able to communicate back and forth with each other. And the attached tunnel bag, quick, easy release. You've got dried sealed storage up above here, so I keep my snowmobile registration in. Great spot for a first aid kit, a few essential snacks for the trail. Again, I've got nice warm fly racing mittens that I pack with me, and another pair of gloves for those deep wet days. I've got my Adventure Motorsports edition handy Leatherman, a climb saw, pump for my Fox floats, backup starter rope for those days the electric start doesn't work. In here I pack a lot of tools just in case. And then I've got a tow rope for those days that somebody else's sled, knock on wood, doesn't run its way out. I also keep a spare lever, brake lever for the snowmobile, just in case you have an incident where you tip over, fall, and break that lever off. It's nice to have something to put back on there to get you out. Also simply pack a couple bottles of water with me and then some rope. Guys, so that wraps it up with what I pack with me when I go out on the ride. If you need any help or have any questions on what to pack with you when you go riding, come see us here at Adventure Motorsports. The guys in the parts department would be more than happy to help get you set up. Be sure to like us and follow along here at Adventure Motorsports YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.